Students, in this video we will be going through the question number 2 bit 2, 3 and question number 4 bit 2 of exercise 3.5. So question number 2 bit 2, for which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? For no solution means this will be the condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So the first equation is 3x plus y equal to 1 and the second equation is 2k minus 1 bracket x outside bracket x plus k minus 1 outside bracket y equal to 2k plus 1. So first let us make it in the standard form. So 3x plus y, bring 1 to this side, minus 1 equal to 0. Similarly 2k minus 1 bracketed outside x plus k minus 1 bracketed outside y, this will come to this side. So minus 2k minus 1 equal to 0. Now as this have no solution, therefore a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So a1 by a2, here a1 is 3 and a2 is 2k minus 1 is equal to b1 by b2. b1 is 1 and b2 is k minus 1. Now 3 by 2k minus 1 equal to 1 by k minus 1. Now cross multiply 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 1 into 2k minus 1. So 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. So 3k minus 2k equal to minus 1 plus 3. So k equal to 2. So 2 is the answer. Now come to the question number 3. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the cross multiplication method. So 8x plus 5y equal to 9 and 3x plus 2y equal to 4. First let us make it in the standard form, bringing 9 to this side. So it becomes 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0 and 4 to this side. So it is 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So here a1 is 8, b1 is 5, c1 is minus 9, a2 is 3, b2 is 2 and c2 is minus 4. Now the formula x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So we will substitute the value of a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2 in this formula, and at last we are getting x by minus 20 plus 18 is equal to y by minus 27 plus 32 is equal to 1 by 16 minus 15. So x by minus 2 is equal to y by 5 is equal to 1 by 1. Then you will equate this and this. So x by minus 2 equal to 1, x equal to minus 2. Similarly y by 5 equal to 1 and y equal to 5. Now come to the question number 4. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. So let the fraction be x by y. So x, in the first case, x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 3. So now cross multiply 3x minus 3 equal to y. So 3x minus y equal to 3. Similarly, it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. So x by y plus 8 equal to 1 by 4. That is 4x equal to y plus 8. 4x minus y equal to 8. Now this will, let us bring in the standard form. 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Bring the 3 to this side. Similarly, this also make in the standard form. 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. So this is the standard form, 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0 and 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. So here a1 is 3, b1 is minus 1 and c1 is minus 3. Similarly a2 is 4, b2 is minus 1 and c2 is minus 8. Now we will put the value in the formula x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 a2 minus a2 b1. So when we will substitute all this value, it will become x by 8 minus 3 is equal to y by minus 12 plus 2 24 is equal to 1 by minus 3 plus 4. So x by 8 minus 3 is x by 5 is equal to y by minus 12 plus 24 means y by 12, and 1 by minus 3 plus 4 means 1 by 1. Now x by 5 equal to 1, x equal to 5. Y by 12 equal to 1, y equal to 12. So the fraction was x by y. So it becomes 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 is the solution of this question. So in this video we have completed up to question number 4 bit 2. In the next video we'll proceed further. Okay, thank you.